Hi everyone, मेरा नाम ध्रुव है and welcome back to this week's podcast recommendation on Chalchitra Talks. I want to talk about a podcast that has had one of the biggest impacts on me in a practical sense, making me a better thinker and making me a better doer. The podcast I'm talking about is The Knowledge Project by Shane Parrish. The Knowledge Project is one of the most substantial podcasts when it comes to having a direct impact on my life. We do listen to a lot of podcasts for their amazing content, the ideas that they put forth, or for the sheer fun of it. But if I have to look back at the year and see which podcast made the most impact on my life, it would undoubtedly be the Knowledge Project with Shane Parrish. So, in essence, the Knowledge Project talks about how to make better decisions in life. And, on surface, it may seem like we are all making decisions every given day, every given second of our lives. However, this podcast delves deep into the subject of how to make better decisions by talking to all of these amazing people and gives us a better insights into how we can make better decisions in our lives, because ultimately it's the quality of decisions that we make which define the quality of our life. So before we get into the top 5 recommendations from this podcast, I want to talk about Shane Parrish real quick. So Shane was a security analyst in Canada's intelligence agency, the equivalent of CIA in the United States, and he was there when the 2001 terror attacks happened in the US, and he was overseeing this team of security analysts and figuring out decisions on a day-to-day basis. And from there, the kind of idea of how to make better decisions in life and how to have a structural thinking and how to actually use certain mental models of first principles thinking to actually benefit in life. And that is where this entire idea of the Knowledge Project came into being. He quit his job in 2016 and started this blog, and it immediately got noticed by all of these amazing people from all across the world. And really where it struck the chord most were these investors and Wall Street people who were really amazed by the quality of thinking that Shane was putting forth. And eventually he started the Knowledge Project podcast, and the podcast series is now soon going to be 100 episodes long, with each of the episode being an amazing nugget of wisdom for all of us to sit, consume and apply in our lives. Now, without any further delay, let's jump back into the top 5 podcast recommendation from the Knowledge Project. My first recommendation would be Shane's conversation with Sanjay Bakshi, who is an India-based value investor and a professor of investing and finance at the MDI University in Gurgaon. This podcast is a very good deep dive into the principles of value investing, how to think in terms of mental models, how to read and how to take notes from reading and how to remember what you read. The second recommendation from this podcast would be his conversation with Naval Ravikant. Now, if you have been following this podcast recommendation series, you would know that Naval Ravikant was my topic of discussion in my first recommendation on the Joe Rogan podcast. And so Naval Ravikant is an angel investor based out of the Silicon Valley. I count Naval as being one of the biggest inspirations in my life, and he is really a very chilled out guy who just has such amazing wisdom to offer without a shred of ego behind it. So in this discussion also they delve deep into the basics of how to lead a happy and content life, how to be a successful business person by owning a piece of equity or having some leverage in your businesses. So it's again a very interesting talk. My third recommendation from this podcast would be Shane's conversation with Susan Cain. Susan is the author of Quiet, and in this podcast they talk about the certain differences between introverts and extroverts and how you can actually identify if you are an extrovert or an introvert, And once you identify how to actually accept your personality and take decisions in your life so that it will complement your personality in the best way possible. A beautiful conversation that I feel like every introvert out there at least should go ahead and give a try. My fourth recommendation from this podcast would be Shane's conversation with Daniel Kahneman. Daniel Kahneman is a Nobel Prize winning author of the book Thinking Fast and Slow. And in this episode of the Knowledge Project, they go deep into the concept of systems thinking and how to take charge of your biases, how to understand in which way you are biased, and to sort of take corrective measures to implement a no bias personality so that you are able to make better decisions in your life. My fifth and final recommendation from this podcast that I would want all of you to go ahead and check out is Shane's conversation with Derek Sivers. This is a podcast that I recently finished listening and was thoroughly amazed by the guy that is Derek Sivers. He is such a down-to-earth personality. Derek was the founder of CD Baby. CD Baby was this platform for getting all of the indie music artists on one platform, and this is when internet was just beginning. So I'm talking about early 2000s. So he came up with this platform wherein you would give all of the independent artists a window to showcase their work, and for people to actually go ahead and buy and support their work. Along with CD Baby, Derek also started a blog slash website wherein he shared his ideas and his concepts that he learned from reading books. And there is this entire section on his website wherein he has these amazingly succinct book summaries of some of the best books that he has ever read. So in this very casual and laid back discussion, Derek delves into some of the biggest mistakes of his life and what he has learned out of them, some mental models that guide his way towards success, and really how to think about ideas and how to think about creativity, creation versus imitations. So these were my top 5 recommendations from the Knowledge Project with Shane Parrish. And really, this podcast has been one of the most transformative listening experiences. And I'm sure that you would end up liking these episodes as well. They may not be for everyone, but there is an episode for every one of you out there in this podcast series if you're willing to give it a try. And I would say that if your goal for the next year is to be a better version of yourself, then the Knowledge Project is the best place to start.